Let's learn how to turn off or control sensitive content on Instagram in this quick tutorial. If you want to see less sensitive content on your Instagram feed, Reels, and Explore page, then all you need to do is to open your Instagram application and then go over to your profile page. From here, we'll have to access our settings, so let's tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. And you'll then need to scroll down until you see this Content Preferences option, which should be under the What You See section. The first option is Sensitive Content, so let's tap here, and then you'll get to this section where you can control how much sensitive content you want to see. Now you'll see three different options here. If you want to turn off or reduce sensitive content, select the Less option. This will filter out most content that some people might find sensitive or uncomfortable. Just tap on Less, and Instagram will automatically apply this setting across your entire feed, Reels, Explore page, and even the comments you see on posts.